Yes.
Morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also
Yes, yes.
like where are you calling from?
I'm from Maharashtra, Pune.
Okay.
Yes. And where are you from, you?
Even I'm also calling from Maharashtra. I'm living in Mumbai. You are my
That's
neighbor.
nice.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes.
so
We are both are Maharashtrian.
we are Maharashtrian. Yeah, that's great. So brother,
Yeah.
could you tell me like your introduction, like who are you, what do you do, and what's
Yes,
your
yes.
everything? Please
Yes,
tell.
yes. My name is Shubham. As you know, I'm a basically medical student in second year, MBBS now. Yes, that's it.
Okay,
And I'm learning English nowadays.
that's great.
Yes.
So what about your graduation? Did you done?
No, no, I'm in second year now.
Okay, second year. Okay, second year.
Yes, yes.
So what's your future plan, brother? Like after college, I mean, I think 2 and 3 years remaining your medical. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes. Yes,
After
yes, right.
how will get a job? How will apply your, fulfill your career? How do you? How will?
Yes, yes. As you know, I am medical means in I am second year student. I
Mhm.
want to be a cardiologist.
Mhm.
I don't know who calling me. Wait a minute. Yes, yes. Now okay. I want to become a cardiologist in future. That's why
Mhm.
I am preparing now this day and
Okay.
studying. Yes. Means
So
heart surgeon. Basically, I want heart surgeon.
okay, basically you want to heart surgeon. Okay, like operation.
Heart.
Okay, like.
Yes, yes, right.
So I heard about this degree is like very tough. Like if you go to become a doctor, heart surgeon, so you have to struggle. You have to study like around 5 to 6 years. Am I right?
Yes, yes, right, right, right.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely right.
Okay, I think you have a lots of fear around like 6 to 7 years.
Yes, yes. Now onwards, up to 5 year, I am become that stage.
Okay, that's great. I hope so. You will achieve, brother, and you are
Thank you.
doing great. Doctor, we can say second God. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
After this pandemic, people realize that.
Yes, yes. Right now we are realizing doctors like God, become a
Yeah.
God because they are doing great work. They are just helping a people whoever get a COVID like infect coronavirus like that. So they are just helping. They are giving a time and treatment everything. They are give a best. So doctor is
Yes,
like
yes.
absolutely I'm agree. I'm always supporting a doctor. Doctor is like second God we compare to.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay,
What
brother,
about you, brother?
tell me.
What do you do?
Yeah, actually, bro, what happened? Like, I was commerce student. Okay, I passed
Okay.
out BCom degree in
Okay.
2015. Then after that, I took a diploma course aviation and hospitality. We
Okay.
can say
Nice.
hotel management and air
Yes,
hostel.
yes.
So both course I done. Then
Nice.
after I got a job in hotel sector as a front
Okay.
office. I worked one
Okay.
year and I left because due to COVID-19. I
Yes,
terminated.
yes. Yes, yes.
Lockdown period, brother, I was preparing my interview, and like few months ago, I got a job also in Motilal Oswal company. This is we can say multinational, like
Okay.
share market, like
Yes, yes. Share market. Yes, yes.
like that. So I was working. So over there, I wasn't satisfied. So that's why I left also this job. And right now, I'm preparing about my, like interview, how to attend
Interview.
interview, like airline procedure, calling procedure, and we
Yes,
can
yes.
say, call a BPO sector like international. So I'm
Yes,
preparing
yes. Right.
interview. That's why
Nice.
sir, I'm learning an English language. Yeah,
Yes, yes. It is must language
yeah. So,
because
bro,
all foreigners come in first they come in airport. That's why
yeah.
it is necessary that sector.
It's really necessary, brother. In my life, seriously, if I get a job in the airline sector, over there, I have to handle a passenger. I have to communicate with stranger people, with foreigners. So it's necessary over there. English language is very important. Not
Yes,
over
yes,
there, everywhere. I'm talking
yes,
about
right.
example, become a doctor, become a like a pilot. Everywhere, if you go to attend the interview, so everywhere is important. English
Yes,
language. Yeah.
yes, yes, right.
So, bro, like, what about you? Why do you learn English language? What is the reason behind reason?
Because I want to become, means I want to go abroad and search that culture and that thing. Basically, I want to learn their means culture. That's why.
So, which country you prefer to go? Like a Western country and Gulf country?
Means basically I want to US like that company. US means US like country. Company not. Sorry
Uh,
about that.
no, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's great thing, brother. Like USA, America, Canada.
Yes.
This is a rich country. So over there, if we plan to go abroad, so we have to prepare. We have to give a IELTS exam. I think so. Am I right?
Which?
Yeah. Hello. Can you see?
Yes, yes, I can hear.
Actually, I'm talking about like if you go to abroad, like Western
Yes,
country, then
yes, yes.
we have to prepare a IELTS exam. Like
Yes, yes, right, right.
like we have to give an exam. So what is that, brother? I'm not sure about. Like, can you explain me like IELTS? How do
Yes, yes, I can. I think network problem.
yeah, maybe network issue. So I was talking about like, do you have any information about IELTS exam?
No, I don't. But I want to go Germany. There is a one PG exam that entrance for doctor purpose means we can achieve their hospitality like sector
Mm-hmm.
that country.
Okay, Germany. Okay, that's
Yes,
good.
Germany.
So after college, you will plan. You will go after college.
Yes,
Am I
yes.
right?
After college, after internship means after 5 years.
Okay, that's so you have a lots of time, brother. You can make a like build your confidence. You will learn more and more
Yes,
about
yes,
English language,
absolutely right.
about your study, about your like settle down abroad. So are you planning to settle in Germany and just work purpose?
For work purpose, I want to settle there, not for permanent.
Okay, okay, that's great. So right now, like
Because India is a Matrubhumi, Jalmabhumi.
okay, yeah, because India is we can say like our born place. Okay,
Yes,
so don't forget, yeah, always like where we are, like in abroad, anywhere. So always end of time we come to our born place and enjoyment, stay with family because family is very important, and
yeah,
especially
right.
yeah, brother, we are
Yes, yes,
forgot like just give my parents for everything, health good, everything. Always we
yes,
are praying, but if we
yes,
talk about Asian country, so over there everyone thinking about a self,
yes,
like
right.
kids also like that.
Yes, yes, right. We
Bro,
follow our culture. Yes,
yeah, tell me, go ahead. You're telling something.
yes, yes. We follow Indian people follow our culture.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So, bro, how do you practice yourself? How do you learn English language?
Means daily I try to call with anyone. There is WhatsApp group. There I put message. Anyone are free at 5 p.m. Then I
Mhm.
will talk to anyone at least 1 hour daily.
Okay.
I start practicing just completed 7 days, 7 to 8 days,
Okay.
and I watch some YouTube channel that will help me. I also watch your YouTube channel that
Thank you.
that will help me.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
that will
so what
practice. Yes,
reading part? What about
yes,
reading part? You interesting?
yes, yes,
Re- Reading part.
yes, yes. I also read Chetan Bhagatwaj like that. I watch. I started just now.
Mm-hmm.
Half Girlfriend like that book. Is
Yeah. Okay.
yes,
I
yes,
heard about like Chetan Bhagat and I Have Girlfriend. It's like fantastic book. Seriously.
yes, 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 yes.
So bro, like whenever you start a reading, because I'm going to share my idea. Like whenever I go to reading a book, so feel too bored, feel too unhappy, and it's complicated for me. I do not understand a sentence sometime
Yes,
I
yes.
understand, but sometimes it's like difficult for me. So how to
Yes.
destroy this thing? Have you any idea?
Mhm. Yes, yes. Means in that sentence, we did not get one word meaning. Then you can write on paper, and then you can find Google it. Then you will get meaning of that sentence, and you uh, audible audible story like that you can watch. Name you can audio that listen. I think
Okay.
yes. There are so many apps that will help like podcast, all that thing.
Okay. Yeah, it's very important listening a part like
Yes.
pod.
When you
Yeah.
bore, carry through the podcast, all that. Like
Okay. 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 That's great. Yeah, listening is very important. Whenever we listen, then automatically we think about our
yes,
mind, what I'm listening.
yes.
At.
Like baby, newborn baby, they also try to listen first, and then he or she try, then speak.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's great. So,
yes.
brother, have you any friend circle? What about your atmosphere? How do you manage about your English language?
My friend circle not interested in English, not at all. Just I'm trying to create means joint WhatsApp group. Then I talk to anyone, stranger. That will help me because stranger also know don't know who is I am. Yes.
Yeah,
Then we can't hesitate at all.
yeah, yeah, right, absolutely right. So, what about your atmosphere, family background?
Yes, yes. My father is teacher. He sometime speak English with me. They also help me for improving purpose. And
Okay,
my brother is doctor. He's the dentist.
okay,
Yes. Now this year he started his own clinic.
okay.
Yes, yes. And mother is housewife. Mm,
That's great. Even
yes.
even like brother, your atmosphere is good. You can speak with your father, your brother because they done.
Yes,
And
yes, right.
father, he's a teacher, definitely he will guide you like just go to this way, like that. So it's
Yes, yes,
very.
right.
I think you can learn, brother, seriously. you you don't have, it's not requirement any kind of friend and something like WhatsApp like that. You can just talk to your family circle. It will
Yes,
help
yes.
them,
But
definitely.
sometime I hesitate
But
with them.
why? Okay, because your father definitely he will correct you. He will, whenever you do
Yes, yes.
mistake, he will correct, not problem.
Yes, yes,
And
right, right.
and with your brother because he's a doctor. That's great.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, brother, that's why reason your brother, like elder brother, he became a doctor. That's why you also choose I want to become a doctor.
This is my childhood, means
Okay,
childhood dream. I want to become a cardiologist like that.
okay,
That's
okay.
why I choose.
Yeah, that's why you choose. That's great. So, what about your father? Like he's a teaching. I mean, he's a teacher. What kind of subject he's a teaching in front of
Yes.
student?
My father teaching chemistry subject for college student, 11th and 12th.
Okay, actually, I didn't heard about it because I was
Yes,
I'm a student. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. I
Yes,
think you are taking brother seriously. Just keep going and practice more and more. See, we are beginner. Whenever we try to speak properly, we try to give a lots of time about English language. Definitely, we will able to talk in front of people without
yes,
hesitation.
yes, right.
Without always practice English. And
Yes,
I think your atmosphere, your environment is fantastic. Definitely, you take a
yes,
short like about become a public speaking, and English is everywhere, brother, not right now. In future time, definitely English will help your career. It's very important. Okay.
yes. There is no alternative for
Ye-
practice.
right, brother.
Yes,
So, bro, I think we done. Okay, so
okay.
like see you, brother, and keep touch.
You
Okay, and always
okay?
find English, learn about English language. Don't be don't be like nervous, fear like that. This is just a language. Okay, right now we made a good
Yes, yes,
conversation. Okay, I'm happy with
yes,
you,
yes.
seriously.
Same
And
to
you are
you.
the first time I met a one of guy like he want to become a doctor. That's
Okay.
great. This is good spirit, like do a something about a
Yes,
career.
yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, brother. Always
Yes,
keep going and don't feel too like low. And whenever you some kind of issue, then face it. Don't backward. Just
yes, yes.
go
Right,
handle your situation. Okay.
right, right, right.
Thank you, brother, and
Thank
have
you.
say all the best. Your future plan. Definitely, you will become a doctor. And don't
Same to
forget,
you.
like whenever you complete your doctor degree, please, please just keep a touch
Yes,
and like
yes, yes.
I become a doctor. Okay.
Yes, I never forget you because I
Because we are
personally
living
talk
in
with English with video call with you.
yes, yes, yeah, absolutely, brother.
Yes,
So bye bye.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
Nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
You have a nice day too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.